Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm sitting in a 2017 Ford Transit van and I'm going to show you how easy it is to update the time. So to do this we don't have to have the ignition on, but we do have to have the radio on by pushing this button. And then what we need to do is press this button up here. So this actually goes through all of the settings on the radio. So you've got settings, and then the first one is set time, which we'll come back to. 24 hours, whether you want it on 24 hours or 12 hours. There's the bass, the treble, the balance, traffic announcements, news, and I'm not 100% sure what auto PL is, but it's on anyway. Click it one more time, you come to set time, and then we can just use these two arrows here, and then you'll start seeing the time flash. So then you can just use them up and down. So I'm just going to go ahead to 10, and then once you hit OK, it will move across to the minutes. I'm going to go up a couple of minutes as well, and then hit OK. That will now have updated your time, even when the radio is off. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.